Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Friday the 17th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at euro dollar now. And it started to sort of come off a little bit as this dollar has started to gain a bit of ground again today. My expectation is still that this little rally that we've got on euro dollar is going to get sold into. I think that the general technical outlook would suggest that the euro, I think, is going to come under a little bit of pressure increasingly, and certainly I think that sort of losing that support at 105.77 that we saw earlier this week would suggest that yes, it didn't close below that, but I still think that the sort of intent was there, and I think that the dollar will start to strengthen at some stage and start to fall away again. And certainly I think yesterday's rally high of 106.80 I think could well be the sort of beginning of that move. You look at these momentum indicators, you'd say RSI still under 50, having sort of fallen back away from 60. MACD lines are neutral, but stochastics have sort of started to rise, so it's a fairly mixed outlook really on the momentum indicator, which I suppose is reflective of the fact that the market has generally sort of been moving sideways. But also broken that little downtrend. So fairly sort of predictable moves on the momentum indicators. But you see the hourly chart, and you sort of have seen this sort of move to 106.80 starting to roll over. The European traders have come in this morning and sold it down. Sort of taken that crossover sell signal I was talking about on the MACD lines this morning and run with it. So that is now sort of breaking this trend higher that we've had. Now you had a sort of mini breakout level at 106.30, that's an element of support, and then you're looking at sort of 106 figure as a bit of a sort of a minor pivot. So you could see those come under pressure in the coming hours, but for now market is sort of under a little bit of pressure, not as much as sterling is, but certainly the euro is sort of backing away from this little rally that we've had, and I think that this could be all sort of playing out as part of this next sort of lower high underneath the 107.10 level, which is a pivot level which I believe will remain intact, and I think rallies are going to be seen as a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.